Clearing your search history on Twitter can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Twitter app or website. Launch the Twitter app on your mobile device or go to the Twitter website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the Search tab. Locate the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Click or tap on it to access your recent searches. Step 3. View recent searches. Once in the Search tab, scroll down to see your recent searches listed. This section shows all the accounts, hashtags, and topics you have searched for recently. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To remove a specific search, tap or click on the X next to the search term you want to delete. This will remove that particular search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, look for an option that says Clear All or Clear Recent Searches. Confirm your choice to remove all entries from your search history. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Twitter. Regularly clearing your search history can help keep your account organized and private.